Hi guys, this is Peter Solm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I am standing on our 2020 Scout 215 XSF. Let's take a quick look. This boat has the shark gray hull color. This Frank goes up and down the side of the boat there. You can see that nice bow flare that's so common with Scout. This boat is equipped with a black Mercury 200. Great power package with this boat. As Frank walks on, starboard side walkthrough, you can see the swim ladder there at the back. Nice entryway with a closable door. Keep maybe small children or pets inside the boat. All across the back, we'll have about 4 rock holders back here. Nice recessed cleats on both sides. Stainless steel cup holders. Access to our bilge compartment right here. This seat right now is in its folded up position, so if you are fishing off the back of the boat, this is a good spot. But depending on how you're doing your boating, if you have a few more people, this is another great spot to sit. Our leaning post here with 4 rocket launchers on the back, cup holders, igloo cooler there, T-top with more rocket launchers across the top, LED spreader lights, storage up here for all your life vests. At the helm, we have a Garmin unit in place. Fusion stereo, all of our switching right here. Our digital throttle shift, nice tilt steering wheel. Thigh-high bolsters for both. Obviously, depending on what you're doing, you can, different configurations there. All right. Moving forward, our head compartment. There's not a porta potty in there at the moment, but there's a spot for one. Battery switches there as well. Moving forward, again, we'll have bar storage here. Nice fish box. Right now, the console coverage right there. Backrest for both of your seats up here in the front. It's a very comfortable spot to sit up here. Underneath both of your seats, we'll have more insulated storage as well. And then obviously, spot up here for your anchor. More cup holders, more recessed cleats there. All right, guys, again, this is Peter Solm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.